Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the accessibility or visibility of your photo editing projects on Adobe Express Photos. For instance, if you're planning to share it with one of your co-editors or contacts. So let us guide you through it and show you how it's done. So navigate to your photo editing project on Adobe Express, click into share in the top right. Here invite your co-editor by entering the email address or username here. Or use that shareable link here below, copy a link to copy to your clipboard so that you may use that to invite your co-editors to that photo editing project. Now, you can, for instance, change the accessibility here. Only invited people can access, to quote this, so that only your invitees will be given access to that project. Or you can set it to anyone with the link, which means whoever gets access to that link will be also given the opportunity to access that photo editing project. So it's like switching between public and private here. You can also choose this option, view only link, and then click into this button, create link, and that is going to create that link that doesn't require any sign-ins, but it also won't allow the given visitor to make any changes or edits, but only to view it. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.